Frustrated with the Wmalfxgfxdsp.dll pop-up blocking Windows Media Audio Effects DSP? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. As we get into the manual process for Wmalfxgfxdsp, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Wmalfxgfxdsp, the Windows Media Audio LFX and GFX Digital Signal Processing Library. It manages localized hardware-accelerated audio effects, such as localized equalization and surround sound virtualization, for integrated Windows media streams. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This error usually indicates a missing graphics runtime component affecting Wmalfxgfxdsp.dll. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX-related DLLs, and update your graphics drivers if the file depends on OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Wmalfxgfxdsp file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the Application Setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Wmalfxgfxdsp.dll, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Wmalfxgfxdsp. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Wmalfxgfxdsp dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.